In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a graph on Google Sheets with multiple datasets and independent variables. Creating a graph in Google Sheets is a fantastic way to visualize your data, allowing you to better understand trends and insights. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, let's open up your Google Sheets document. If you don't have one already open, go ahead and open a new sheet on Google Sheets. Once you're in the sheet, the next step is to highlight the cells of your data that you want to include in the graph. For our example today, we're going to highlight cells from F32 to F40. This range is where our data sets reside. Now that you've got your data highlighted, you want to sort it to better organize your information. Click on the Sort Range option, which you'll find in the toolbar or by right-clicking your selection. Once the menu pops up, you want to choose the Z to A option for sorting, and then click Sort. This will reorder your data from highest to lowest, which can be helpful depending on the nature of your data and how you want it to be represented on your graph. Once everything is sorted properly, it's time to insert the chart. Navigate to the Insert menu on the toolbar and click on Chart. This will create a basic chart with the data you've selected. But we're not stopping there. Customization is key for precision and clarity. In the chart editor on the right, you'll see an option to Add X-axis. Click on that and select the range D22 to D40. This selection allows you to set your independent variable, which in this case might be time or another variable that's foundational for interpreting your data. After selecting this range, click OK to confirm your X-axis selection. Now, to accurately reflect multiple data sets, we'll need to add series to our chart. Click on Add Series and select cells E22 to E31 for your first series. Press OK when done. To continue adding more datasets, repeat this process. Click Add Series again, and this time, select F22 to F40, followed by clicking OK. Each series you add represents a different dataset, allowing for a richer comparison of variables. With your basic chart structure set, it's time to customize. Click on the Customize tab in the chart editor and then choose Series. Here, you can add a trend line by clicking on Trend Line. If you prefer to use it, click on Use Equation. To improve chart clarity, adjust the legend by clicking Legend and select Bottom to position your legend appropriately. Finally, let's add titles. Click on Chart and Axis Titles and then Chart Title. Here, type in a concise title that represents your data, like distance versus time. Follow the same steps to label your axes. Under horizontal axis title, type time, and under vertical axis title, type distance. And there you have it. You've created a detailed graph on Google Sheets that includes multiple datasets and independent variables. Remember, the more you practice, the easier and more intuitive these steps will become. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.